Let's go. Come on. Alright. Alright, this is easy peasy. This is child's game. Child's play. Child's game. And we take a little left. Right? That was left, right? Yeah, we take a little... Ah! I can't drive more! No, wait, Ma! Wait! This game is stupid! Muyu is not the stupid one, it's the game! Come on! How do I get out of this? How do I get out of Okay, easy peasy. Now we can actually get out of here. Come on, come on. What? Again? What do I do, Mom? Yeah, they should make these streets bigger, Mo. How did that even happen? I don't remember doing that. Truckun! Tasukete! Oh! Almost! Almost there! Almost there! Almost there! Oh no 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 no! No no no! No! Okay, okay. Okay. No! No! We're good, Mom! Alright. Move out of the way! Oh, damn it! No! Oh, I passed it! Oopsie. I'm back. No, I don't know how to drive. Well, nobody's behind Muyu, so it's fine, Mo. Go on, go back. Come on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. The cow is taking charge of the situation. There is no need for any panicking, okay? Yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. See? I told you guys, I can do it. Perfect. Perfect. The purple traffic violation. Oh, jeez, eyes on the road. Help! Come on, open up. Night of fire. Night of fire. Come on, come over me. I did it! Oh, there's another thingy. Whatever this is. Ah! I'm sorry, policeman. I thought it was gonna make it move. All right. Where am I going? Momo. Bye, Moo. Yes. You are not gonna stop